I want to introduce you to the variable search feature so that you can start using it in your document automation. Let's just say I have a prenup variable that I want to find out where is it being used. In this case, I'll go up to Elements, click Find, and I'll just type in prenup. And here you can do it based on an entire field or match a whole word. So if you've got some different options there, I'll click Next. Let's see. It is case sensitive unless I switch some things, but I've got this prenup here, and I've also within the template, I've got it summary template. So if I uncheck that, it's going to not show this one, so you can actually look through and see where it's at. And I can click on a field, it will take me to it. So I have a prenup in here. I don't really need it, so I'm just actually going to remove this, and I'll click Save. And then if I want to see, oh, I've got it in a template, it's going to take me to the template page. If I were to download this, I could download it, search on field 64, and I would see it right in the will. So this is helpful for helping you find where things are at. If you get error messages and you're just not sure exactly where to look, you can put the variable in of the error message that's in the error message, and it will find all the different locations for you. And you can select, if I just want to be looking in apps, you can find out which things are in different areas. This will help you as you're trying to just see where things are at and have ways to find them. Future releases will have a way to find and replace, and we'll continue to improve this and make it so it's even more useful than it is. Thanks.